Hi, it's Jeff from Akoonu. In this video, I'm going to show you a couple features in the Quota Manager, which are some of the advanced features to help understand how the quotas are rolling up through your sales team. The first thing I'm going to show you is another display option. So I'm in the Quota Manager looking at my opportunity revenue quotas. And from display options, I can select show rollups. So this just added some more data into the cells. And what it's doing is showing how the actual rollup differs from, say, the manager. If we look at Avery Moore, her quota is 500K, but the sum of the quotas from her reports, Charlie and Quinn, is 1.5 million. So her quota is 67% below the sum of her subordinates. Likewise, Rowan has a quota of $2 million, which is over the 1.5 million total of his subordinates. So he's 33% over. In this case, over is highlighted in red since his quota is higher than his team's. So that gives you some visibility into how the different levels in the sales team, how their quotas are aligned. And maybe they should be misaligned. Maybe you want a manager's quota to be 10% less than the sum of the reps on their team. This gives you that instant visibility to it. I think I have some problems in my roll-up here when things are that far off. So let me show you how you can actually go about making these calculations automatically. I'm going to click the sum button, the calculate rollup button in the toolbar, and that opens a modal to calculate the rollup. And what I can do is either increase or decrease the rolled up quotas at each level. So it starts at the bottom with the reps and then does calculations going up the tree. So I can say that all frontline managers should be 10% less than the sum of their reps. The next level up, maybe an additional 10%, and then maybe 5% and 0 at the top. I click preview, and it shows me a preview window, not in all the monthly details, but in the aggregate for the year. So the current year, as things currently stand, the calculated values, and the changes. So the net change at the top level here is about a $3 million change in quota. And we can see some other adjustments down the hierarchy. When I think these look good, I can go ahead and apply the changes and close. And now you can see everything just updated. And if I look at the roll-up now, I can see, that 10% for each of the managers, the additional 10%, which always goes back to the reps below it. So that's why it says 19% instead of 20% there, up to the top. So that result is that Guy Smiley at the top, his quota is 23% less than the sum of all the reps in the organization. So this is handy to make those calculations, make those adjustments. Hopefully you find it of value too, inspecting to see how things stack up or to actually make adjustments. Thanks for joining me today.